Here I am, know it's been a while. I was in denial about my love. Here I stand, I know I walked away. Had to find the person I'd become. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. Just been there all along. You should.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ashana here. I'm back with a new video, and today we're gonna be getting into this makeup look right here. Y'all already know. I think y'all can guess what palette I use. I use this palette again. I'm trying to use every freaking shade in this palette by any means necessary because I freaking love this palette oh so much. Like, these shades are vibrant, they are popping, honey. Okay, so I'm just doing this nice, I don't even know what to call this. I did use this blue shade in a previous video. I will link it in the description box. I'll pop it in the cards. But this freaking green shade right here though, that's in my crease, is fire AF. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to like, come back and say hi. Let me know if you like my braids. I got some new braids, new hair hoodies, and so we're just about to get started. We're gonna go in with the Karity palette once again for the umpteenth time, and I'm gonna put this shade called Medusa into my crease. It's a nice forest green. It's fire. I freaking love it. I would definitely use it as just a shade just to put on my lid, like a smoky eye. I would definitely use it for that because this shade is just freaking popping. At my crease, look at that right there.
That's where you belong. You should go back home, go back home.
Okay, so now we're gonna go in with this orange shade. This is called Vegas. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, and I'm gonna just basically blend out the edges of the green. I think I should use another concealer because this concealer is like gone. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. concealer in the shade Cinnamon, Deep Cinnamon. I wanna see if I can use this to cut my crease, because this is running out, and I was just in a beauty supply store. I still ain't getting no concealer. Like, what's my life about? Okay, so now we have the crease cut. Now we're gonna go in with the lid shade, which is called Fin. I just did a video on this shade not too long ago. I will link it in the description box, have it pop up in the cards, but we're gonna be putting this on our lid.
Here I am, know it's been a while. I was in denial about my love. Here I stand.
I use this nice hot pink shade right here.
You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. Just been there all along.
Okay, so let's get into some primer. My favorite primers right now, right now, right? I've been loving this freaking Wet n Wild serum. I have a all Wet n Wild makeup tutorial. I will link that in the description box. I have a pop up in the cards. And I've also been loving this Milk Makeup freaking Hydro Grip Primer. Fire. Okay, it's too crazy, but I do double prime. I do. I really truly. So I'm gonna go in with my favorite freaking foundation, my freaking favorite summer foundation, which is the new Maybelline's Dream Urban Cover. Lord, this foundation is fire. Go pick it up. I am in the shade 348 Cafe.
You should go back home, go back home, go back home.
Okay guys, you have made it to the end of this video. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe before you leave. Make sure you share this video with your friends and family. If you do recreate this look, please tag me on Instagram, Facebook. I have almost social medias. I will have them pop up on the car. I will have them pop up on the screen so you guys can follow me. Please don't be shy. Hit me up. Let me know you're watching. Like, don't be afraid, because I don't bite, okay? Anyway, so if you do ever pick up this palette, please let me know how you like it, because I'm in love with it. Obviously, my last 4, maybe 5 videos, I've been using the same freaking palette. So, like I said, I love you guys so much. If you enjoyed this look, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you share. I think I said that already. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So we're gonna get into some slow-mos. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Laters.